This is Remote Learning Initiative by State Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East. Today we will do Science, lesson number 8, part 2, Air, Water and Weather. Water. We have already learned about air and its different process, land breeze, sea breeze, and how water vapor is conducted in that. Now we will learn about water. Water is a very important source for all living things. Without water, we cannot live for a single day. Water is an important and most abundant component on Earth. Nearly 70% of our Earth is covered with water. Water exists in three states. This everybody knows, that are solid, liquid and gaseous. Now, what are the sources of water? Sources means from where do we get this water? We get this water from rivers, lakes, seas and ocean. From the lakes, rivers, seas and ocean, it comes in our house from the taps, and then we fill and keep it and use it. Most of the water is in the form of ice caps near the poles. Near the poles, it becomes in the form of ice. Water is also present in air in the form of water vapor, that we have proof now. Even the clouds are made up of water. Some water is found underground, which can be drawn by tube wells or wells. Most of you must have seen wells, right? So what are from where does the water comes in the well? That is stored before only when rains are there. The land soaks the water and keep it in it. So when we dig the ground, dig the well, we can see the water inside it. Water can change from one form to another form, or heating or cooling, right? Like from solid to liquid and from liquid to gaseous. When we heat a solid, that is ice, it becomes liquid water. On further heating the liquid, that is water, it turns into gaseous. And when liquid is cooled, it becomes solid again. That is water is cooled into freeze, it is kept in freeze, then it becomes ice again. Now we will see the properties of pure water. How can we say that the water what we are drinking is pure or not? Whether it is proper for drinking or not. Pure water is colorless or transparent. Pure water is odorless. Odorless means it does not have any smell, and tasteless, it does not have any taste also. Many substances dissolve in water, so water is also known as a universal solvent. All the things dissolve in water. Why do we need water? We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning, and in agricultural work also. Without water, many chemical reactions cannot take place in our body, and even in plants. Plant cannot grow, and our body also, for circulation of blood and to keep our body healthy, we need water. Water is also useful for generating electricity. When electricity what we are using, that is made from water. Sometimes water is not safe for drinking. Many pollutants pollute water and make it unfit for drinking. Yes, you must have seen outside. Rivers, lakes are very dirty. So that water only comes in our house. But it gets purified and then it is sent to our house. Then too we are using the purifiers for cleaning the water and then we drink it. Sometimes microbes like bacteria and protozoa also make unsafe for drinking. Purification of water. How can we purify the water. Nowadays, so everybody is having purifier in their house, so they put the water in that, and RO is there, purity is there, so they purify the water and they drink. But there are some methods which we can use for purifying the water. First is sedimentation. What is sedimentation? Impure water is taken in a beaker and is allowed to stand for some times without disturbing. The impurities will settle down at the bottom of the beaker. So this you can do with your vessel also. Collect the water from the tap and keep it still for few minutes. So what will happen? Whatever impurities will be there, that will get settled in the bottom. Like see in this picture. There are many impurities here. There are many impurities here, right? And when it is kept still, you can see all the impurities are settled in the bottom here. Next is decantation. That water which is sedimented, that water will be poured into another clean beaker. Separating the clean water by pouring into clean beaker with the help of glass rod. Like this, see. So what will happen? The undissolved solid will remain down only and the pure water will be transferred into another glass. Boiling is also one method which is very good method, and during the rainy season we should boil the water and drink. By boiling the water and then filtering, this water is fit for drinking as boiling kills the microorganisms present in it. So boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes is more than enough. After that, we let it cool down and then just filter it, because the harmful substance, the germs will be killed and will settle in the bottom. So if you filter it, so you will get a pure water for drinking. Another method is by adding chemicals. By adding some chemicals also we can make the water clear. By adding certain chemicals, we do not harm us but can kill the microorganism present in water. By this we can purify water to make it safe for drinking. Thank you.